Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to replace the default My Store title with something personalized, I'll show you how to update that in Shopify. Let's go through the steps together. The first step is to log into your Shopify account. And to do so, like usual, go to your web browser and type in the search bar shopify.com. Now after the website appears, enter your account credentials and log in. Once logged in, go to Settings in your Shopify admin at the bottom left here, right next to the gear icon. Click on it and select General and look for the store's name. Okay, you can go and look for the store's name. Change here logo. I'll type in the search bar store's name. Click on store detail. Yeah, and click on the pen here to modify it. Now choose a name for your store, and you can also choose a phone number for your store and even an email. I'll call it new store, for example. Here you can enter your email, your phone number, wherever it is, and you can change here your email. Once finished modifying the information, click Save. Now your modifications are saved. In some cases, my store may appear in your theme settings, so let's check there too. To do so, just go back to your Shopify dashboard and go to Online Store here, click on Themes, and click on the Customize button next to your current theme. Click on Customize here. Now look for any section displaying My Store, especially the header. Now find that display of My Store, update or remove it, or remove any text fields that contain the default name, then save it. And that's it. You've successfully replaced My Store with your custom store's name. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment if you have further more questions. Thanks for following along and see you again in the next tutorial.